Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating the actual project and getting tools ready. Open Visual Studio, choose Visual Basic, and create a new console or Windows Forms project. Pick the framework that fits your targets. Once done, set up a simple folder structure, src, assets, tests, and initialize Git so you can track changes. Make sure to add a meaningful project name and enable new Get Package Restore. This saves time later when you add libraries or update dependencies. You now implement the program logic and structure. Start with the entry point, submain for console apps or form load for UI, then outline classes and methods that map to features. Use option explicit and option strict to catch type issues early. This reduces runtime surprises. Once your core methods exist, wire up events or command handlers, add necessary NuGet packages, and create unit tests for critical functions so you can validate behavior as you iterate. You finish by validating and packaging the application. Run the debugger, set breakpoints, and step through problem areas while watching variable values in the immediate and locals windows. When tests pass and bugs are fixed, switch to release mode and build. Make sure to sign assemblies if required. For deployment, publish as a single file executable or create an installer and include a short README. If something breaks, check the output window and exception stack trace first. That usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.